Right guys, second attempt to doing this, since I didn't have no sound. Just letting you guys know, well, that I've bought a car which has been accident damage. It's Cat S. I've done some of the work already, so you won't get to see that bit. I'll give you a look round it and show you. Right, here we go. It's a Seat FR Super Cooper, whatever that is. I think it's something to do with football. Inside is pretty much tidy and mint. The airbag had gone off in the roof and ruined the headlining, so that got changed. Obviously the airbag has changed. I don't think I've done too bad. See, I'm first time doing it on my own. It does run pretty well. It's obviously the FR type. I'm not sure what brake horsepower it is because, I never asked, but I can find out because I know the person who I got the car off, but it's been mapped. It's a very, very quick car. Now what I'll do is I'll show you the outside and show you the problems that I had and what I've done so far. Here we go. So, as you can see, the boot was knackered. It was all pushed in. There was no bumper left at all. As you can see, the gaps are all mint. I've pulled it all out so far, and everything just clipped back in mint. It's got the tick lights on the rear, which are very sought after apparently. The gaps on the sides are mint. It's got the odd dint, little tiny one, like you see one there. There's one on the roof up here, and there's one there. I'll put the front splitter on. It looks really nice. Paintwork down here needs touching up. What I'm going to be doing, which I've got the paint and everything, so I'm going to be respraying the back end, basically the boot, the spoiler and the bumper. I've got the paint and now I'm just waiting for a stand for the GoPro, and I intend to video that so you can watch and see the progress. Obviously got scuffs. It's got like really thick paint on it. I don't know why. I'm going to take some rubbing down and a bit of, I don't know, stopper. There's a little bit of damage on the seat, which I'll either repair or I'll look for a second-hand one. As you can see, it's lovely and tidy. Really sought after cars. Hoping to make a bit of money on it. I will let you know how much I paid for it at the end of the video and how much it's cost me, because these bumpers, they're not cheap. I mean, to be fair, they're ridiculously priced for what they are. Running wise, it runs pretty well. I'll see if it'll start now. Now that I want it to start, it probably won't start, but we'll see. That steering lock off. There you go. First turn of the key. We have got fuel lights on the dash, which I'm not bothered about. The light there, that's just because the number plate lights are plugged in. The seatbelt light there is because I know I need to put another seatbelt in the driver's side, because obviously in the accident the airbag has gone off. Traction control and all that, as soon as I drove it the other day, they all go off. It is a pretty nice car. In all fairness, I don't really want to get rid of it, but it's here to make money, so they are sought after cars. A lot of people love them. So, like I say, in the next video, I should have the stand for the GoPro, so you'll be able to see me preparing the bodywork, then obviously getting in primer, getting in paint, and then obviously lacquered, and if need be, flatting, buffing, and then it's get it in for MOT and get it sold. So So once I get round to it and the stuff comes, I will do another video, and you'll be able to see how I go about the body wise of it, body part of it. So yes, good speaking to you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.